What is up, everyone? If you're anything like me, dude, PlayStation and just overall PlayStation 1 in general has probably affected my life more than any governmental thing in the history of whatever. And to actually install a PlayStation emulator, a PlayStation 1 emulator on your iPhone is not that hard of a process, but it is kind of tedious. And it didn't really change on iOS 12, but I want to show you how to get it on your iPhone, either iPhone, iPod, iPad, if it's running iOS 12. Honestly, even if it's running anything below iOS 12, it's probably the same process as well. Like I said, the process is super easy, and I'll show you how to do it right now. And so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to this website, tweakboxapp.com, and you want to scroll down right here where it says download app, and you just want to click that. Now, I will tell you guys, and just click allow. I will tell you guys right now, click install. Click install again down here. I'm going to tell you guys right now, I was trying to say this for like 5 times. You will need a computer in order to actually get the ROM on your phone, but to download and get everything and get the emulator on your phone, you won't need a computer. So you want to click done and you want to hop out. Then you'll see right here you have a new app on your screen. All you want to do is just click that and it'll just take you into the Tweakbox app. You don't have to verify or go into settings anymore. You'll see an ad. You just want to click X up here and click apps. Scroll down into Tweakbox apps. And then scroll all the way down until you see Provenance or Provenance. I don't even know what it's called. MNOP. Okay, Provenance. Okay, right here. And you want to go ahead and click install and then click install again. And it will take a second. Sometimes you might see a different dialog box or a second dialog box. Just let it go. It doesn't really matter. Hop out and you can see it's downloading right now. Now for this app, you will, okay, it's right there. You will have to go, actually you might not have to. It might open if it goes straight into it. But what you want to do is go into settings, go scroll down into general, scroll all the way down to profiles and device management and click on the first thing here and then go ahead and click trust and just click trust again and you should be good to go. Now in terms of this, some people do prefer going through your iPhone and using it there, but I'll show you how to do it on the computer because it's much easier. So before you get on the computer, what we actually need to do is download the BIOS files for this emulator, and it's super simple. As long as you have the emulator on your phone, it'll be like really easy. So what you want to do first is download another file called documents, and it's literally in the App Store. You just want to type in documents and it's this file right here. Documents by ready or whatever. As long as you have that file or that app, you'll be set. And what you want to do after is you want to go into your Google or whatever the case is, whatever search internet browser you have. And what you want to Google is PlayStation BIOS download. You don't have to put in the SCPH55 whatever if you don't want to, but you want to Google that. What you want to do is go to this link right here. Now I'll try my best to link it in the description, but if I forget, just know it's this file right here or this little page. What you want to do is you want to scroll down. You don't have to scroll down all the way, but you would want to go to about this way right here. So you want to see the SCPH5501, SCPH5500, and SCPH5502. So we're going to need to download all those files, just those 3 right here. So starting off with SCPH5501, what you want to do is actually just go ahead and click download. And you want to go down here to where it says open in documents. And it'll go ahead and give you a little prompt like this one will be able to download whatever. And then you want to go ahead and click back. And you want to download SCPH5500, the ones you just haven't downloaded yet. And I'll go ahead and take a second again. Let me click download again. It'll take a second. Sometimes if you force touch into it and you get into it, it kind of helps out a little bit more. As you can see, we have 5502. So go and open in documents. And again, it might take a second or it might give you a little weird error thing. Go ahead and hop out, go back into the internet browser, click back once more. And now we just need the 5500 file, I believe. So go ahead and force touch into it. Go download it. And you can see we have the 5500 file, open in documents. And then go ahead, click back. And then we'll be set. So as long as you have the 5501, 5502, 5502, whatever. So as long as you have those 3 files, we'll be set. Now what you want to do, and watch carefully, what you want to do is click here. You want to click rename, because you actually want to rename the SCPH to lowercase letters. So keep everything else the same. You just want to make sure the SCPH is actually in lowercase letters. And what I would recommend also is to delete the little semicolon thing, the little dash. So literally delete those and just do lowercase SCPH. Click that right there. Click back, click done, and then you'll be set. And you say, and when you get this little error, I usually click use bin, and you should be set. As you can see, you get it right there. And just do the same for the other 2 files as well. And as soon as you get those done, you should have something that looks similar to this. Now what you want to do, and this is really the easiest step, go ahead and click those 3 dashes. What you do is go ahead and click share, and you want to just open them or copy to provenance. And then it should just show you a little thing, and it should say extraction complete or something. Or even if that ad comes up, who cares? It's the same thing. Just go ahead and do that, the same exact thing for the other ones as well. Go ahead and click there, click copy to provenance, it'll go ahead and take you back into Provenance, and it just keeps making you do that. Go back into it and do it the final time for share, copy to Provenance one last time, and it'll go ahead and take you there. Go ahead and exit out of that, go ahead and click done, and you won't see anything yet in this file or in this little thing yet, so you should be good. Now, this is where we go onto the computer to actually download the rest of the files. So what you want to do is scroll down, go to import and export. So all you want to do is just click on that, the import and export, and you will get this URL kind of thing. So what you want to do is go onto your computer and just literally type in that first URL into your computer and click enter. I think as long as you're on the same Wi-Fi or internet connection, you should be good and be able to put the files onto this phone. So once you're on your computer, you'll start to see these files here, and as long as you type in the URL exactly like how you're supposed to, like I said, type in the first URL that's right here and just type it in right into your URL and type it in, and just click enter. So once you're here, what you want to do is go click your BIOS file and click your provenance.com, whatever, and you want to make sure these 3 files are there. Those are the files that we've just transferred into our Provenance. So as long as you see these files right here, you will be 100% set. And actually, if you want, you can just go ahead and copy this name right here, the com.provenance. And all you want to do is go back, you can go back to your iPhone, and you want to create another folder right here. You want to go ahead and click back, and you just want to basically paste com.provenance.psx right there. Go ahead and click create folder, and you'll see the folder right there. All you want to do is click open that folder, and you want to make sure that you have your ROM ready. Now, I'm not going to show you guys how to download the ROM or where to download, because you should get them legally and make sure you own the ROM and everything. And the only reason I say that, and you guys hate when I say that, but because my videos have been flagged before because I showed you guys how to do stuff like that, so I don't want to do it. But that's really the easiest part. Everything before is the hardest. Literally, you can figure out where to get the ROMs legally. Now, in this case, I did go ahead and just upload my files and upload my ROM into here. So you want to give it a second. It's not going to go immediately. And then the second one, and as soon as it's set like this, it'll be 100% set. And actually, as soon as you go back, you can go ahead and click iPhone, and you want to go ahead and just refresh the page, and you want to go ahead and just open the folder and make sure those ROMs are, as long as they're there, you should be set. Go back, you want to open your BIOS file. I'm just going to check one more time. Yeah, I'm set. You will be 100% set now. So what you want to do is you want to go back on your iPhone, you just want to click stop, and you actually want to scroll down and click refresh game library. You want to click yes, you want to click done. And sometimes it might not show up immediately. It will take a little bit of time. With my other iPhone, it did take a couple seconds. So I'd probably recommend you guys to hop out of it, just hop out of everything and just go back into the game or go back into Provenance. And as you can see, it's in right now. Now, sometimes you will get an error that'll say something like, oh, this is messed up, this and that, but I let it run and it ran perfectly fine. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this in. Go ahead and click, turn that on so I can get a good thumbnail in. You go ahead and click the game, and you will see that it will probably most likely run. As you can see, it's running right now. All right, I kind of had to move everything out the way. Now you can see this game will run. Now it actually will hang a little bit. On my other iPhone, on my iPhone 10, it took a minute before I got in the game, and I started freaking out because I was like, oh man, like it doesn't even work. Like I spent all this time doing it, but it actually, as you can see, it goes through finally, and it's actually super, super easy. And like I said, it's not really hard. The games play at full speed. The iPhone 8 Plus, this isn't even the newest iPhone, you know, so all these games will run perfectly fine. I really have ran into no problems at all. As you can see, it runs perfectly fine. There's even haptic feedback, and you can also go up here and click your save states. You can go and click save states. You can just save your state right there, clicking the plus, go ahead and click done. And you can do cheats and all that other stuff too. And it runs perfectly fine, and it's really cool. And this is a much safer way. I've seen some other PlayStation 1 emulators here too, and I just don't like them. This one is actually the safest one that I can probably recommend doing, just because you actually go input everything yourself. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or you ran into any problems, definitely leave some comments down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to go and help you guys out. And I also made several other videos talking about how to install emulators like PSP emulators and Game Boy Advance emulators on this channel as well. So definitely check those videos out too if you want to see them. But hit that like button, that'll mean so much. But definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. I do a lot more like iOS comparisons and iOS reviews. So if you have an iPhone or even an Android, you guys might enjoy those videos too. So definitely check out that second channel. But oh, dang it. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. And hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone.